morning, everybody, and welcome to the channel. Today we are working in our journal we made from a food box for the Scrap It Up 3 challenge hosted by Etta J. Thank you, Etta J. And we are on the pressed flower window prompt. That was number 4, and I have been kind of just skipping around. So I made my pressed flower window. And these are marigold seeds. That's as close to a real flower as I could get for the project. And then I did a holographic metal lid. Used my mason jar die so you could see the tag from front or back. And it's just a basic tag. It's not meant to be written on. It's just like maybe a bookmarker. And it will rest and reside right here. And then I made, yes I did, a special pocket for it. So I cut, this was from the same composting bags that I got from Walmart, same as the pages are made out of. And so what I did was I cut the die out of 2 of those, and it's see-through. There's nothing there to hold on to. And then, so I made a basic pocket. I wonder if I should thumb notch it. Maybe. No, you can see that it's a pocket, I guess. Decisions, right? Should I thumb notch it? Should I not? Should I, shouldn't I? Should I, shouldn't I? I'd put a little one in there, maybe. How bad would a little one look? Not that great. So let me get a larger one. I guess we should do the whole thing, right? Let's do... There we go. Now all I have to do is ink it. Find my floating dauber I just had. I sat down here, got all my stuff put together, found the dauber, put everything away so I could film, and now I can't find my dauber. You know, this is tragic. Find the ink, find the dauber right there. Nope, 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 nope. Find the ink, find the dauber. This is incredibly crazy. We're not going to worry about it. I'll give it this one. Maybe not. Anyhow, so I just cut the 2 pieces out. I separated them. And then I put washi tape here. And then a piece of scrap paper there. I realize it's orange. But it wasn't. It was the closest thing I could find that kind of sort of resembled a strawberry. Y'all, I'm losing faith and hope on being able to locate stuff. I really truly am. I don't believe it. I can use this, but it's not going to be the same ink. See, I used Eggplant Envy. That's just insane how I'm the only one I know. Literally. Here we go. Eggplant Envy. And then I found the bigger punch too. Okay, I'm alright. I'm alright. It is not lost yet. All that for that one little spot. Right, so we're going to glue this down. And I probably should have put a plastic behind that, but I don't think it's going to be necessary, really and truly. I think it'll be just fine the way it is. Honestly. So I don't know what I'll do next. I just don't know yet. So anyhow, we're going to put this. I should put a piece of plastic there. I really should. I truly should. But we're not gonna. We're just gonna get this pocket glued in there. And then we're gonna get our ticket in there, our tag, with the pressed flower seeds. And then we'll move on to our next project, which I don't know what that is yet. I got something cool coming out Thursday. I think you'll want to stick around for. I hope you'll want to stick around for anyhow. All right, there we go. There's our pocket. Now wait till you see how this tag looks in there. Pretty cool. Look at that. Isn't that neat? Whoops, I went too far. There we go. I like it. That's pretty cool if you ask me. Yep, I like. Okay, so stick around. I kept my offcuts. I might, I don't know, stamp them and put them on. Maybe. Why not? That would not look bad. And then here's our strawberry. And I think I'll just ink that strawberry. Yeah, why don't we do that? We could actually put the strawberry on here. Yeah, why don't we do that? Why don't we? Real quick. Oh, what color do we want? This would be pretty. Is that the right side? No, this is the right side. I don't need it completely colored, you know, just a little bit. Just a smidge. Give it a little flavor. And we'll spritz it. Okay, that's got to be a red. And then this needs to be what? Let's make this. Make our strawberry ember. There we go. And it'll go on here. And then we'll make our bottle. Wild plum. Wonder if that'll work on there. I think that'll work. We'll let those dry and then we'll glue them to the page later once they're dry. It's alcohol ink. It won't take long. All right, that's it, guys, for this episode. So now we can cross number 4 off. Yay! We're getting there, Miss Etta. So next we got bird in flight, nature cluster pocket, butterfly envelope, nature collage page, map scraps page, scrappy page edges, and I want to do all my page edges, so I'll do a few and show them to you. And then we've got a nature hidden journal spot. Then we got a did I already do that? No. Then we got the scrappy tassel and a nature pop-up page. So that'll be fun. Look at that. We're getting there, guys. I love doing these kinds of things. These prompts just make the work like lined out for you. It's awesome. Yeah, I do like this. All right. Next up, it's going to be bird in flight. All right, so I'll give that some thought here, and we'll get on that next week. Okay? All right, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.